Reels. For this video, it's all about pinaksiwang sap-sap. Ngayon version guys, kasi po nilagyan ko siya ng talong at saka okra. Okay guys, please watch my videos. Thank you!